So the second half gets underway. Almost a case of the two teams saying to each other, whatever you can do, I can do just as well. And Real couldn't hang on to the ball. A really committed challenge, and it's gone out for a throw-in. Well, they'll be happy to have regained possession. Kylian Mbappe. Still a chance. And the Merengues have missed the chance to score the opening goal.
Well, the stalemate should have been broken there. It was a really, really good chance. One he'll look back on and think he should have scored.
Throw-ins given. Well, that is annoying for any manager to see your own player giving the ball away from a throw-in. Real losing possession. The referee knew that was foul play, but advantage it is. An attack full of promise. Grealish. Mbappe. Well, it's come down to the final 20 minutes here. Clear foul, but a Real Madrid advantage. And the free kick caught cleanly by the keeper. And Real with the ball again. And the ball taken forward by Toni Kroos. And it might be Toni Kroos. And a foul in the opinion of the referee. Now, what can they do from this free kick situation? And good work to deny the chance. Well, that's the kind of play you want from your defender. Happy to take on the shot. And a goal to open the scoring. No wonder they're celebrating.
Well, let's see that again. Oh, it's so sweetly hit. Look at his technique. Absolutely brilliant. He's got the power, he's got the accuracy, and now he's got himself a goal.
Evie. He has time to play it over. Well, nothing comes of it. Can he make it count? And a good take under duress there. Ball's gone. We have entered the final minute of normal time. Well, you've got to savour such moments. And the timing was perfect. Ball one. Oh, you don't want to lose the ball in that position. The referee blows for full time. It ends at a victory for the home team. No complaints from the fans here.
Thank you for coming. Have a safe journey home.